Alright, let's go down to rescue Big Hat Logan and then Siegmeyer. Oh! He's just asserting his dominance!
Wait, don't kill him! I think. Oh, okay, let's just leave him. He deserves it.
Alright, my respect, man! Is your sign down?
Oh yeah, I might want to do that, huh?
I think that would help.
Oh shit! Fuck! They both senpais notice.
Damn.
You know, Doshi, if you could kind of like hurry the fuck up, that'd be kind of sick.
I mean, it would have been nice if you had your sign down.
You know, if you could like shut the fuck up, that'd be kind of cool too. I'm playing Ring Around the Rosie with these little faggots. Ah. Doshi, help me. Hey. Oh! Fuck! I didn't get to drink my asses. I might be missing some HP. Just suspected.
Hello there.
I wanted to go shield spam him, but I almost got stabbed. I'll go, mate. Not down, but across. Da 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 da. Do you remember how much? Remember how weird, or not how weird? Remember how annoying this was when we came here, when in the darkness.
Yes.
Heh. Bye bye.
No, you don't, stupid snake. I honestly didn't realize I stepped on that.
You want to kill him? Or do you want to rescue the guy?
Let's get the. Well, yeah, we're gonna rescue the guy. God, I was locking onto him. He got pushed that way, and I almost fell to my death because of that.
Ooh.
I was just trying to walk forward.
Damn it. Game. Clap, 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 clap.
Now we're definitely gonna go save Siegmeyer.
Talking to him is what saves him?
Killing the snakes. And then turning the thing.
Man, I was kind of hoping I'd get the lucky T-posing snake. Not T-posing, but sliding's good enough.
I can't see anything. I'm gonna die.
Oh, I can't damage the snake.
Oh my god.
Well, Josh, I can't do anything for you.
I was looking onto him and my camera decided to just
I know, because you were stuck on it.
Sandwich the wall. We need to turn that thing.
Hmm?
We need to turn the stones so that he can move.
I would say that I would do it for you, but I just remembered that I can't go through that fog wall.
Yeah, good point.
Hey, you dropped the two.
Let's go kill them in Hey, get out of the way! Thankfully,
Don't
the
worry,
boulder
Joe.
just...
Shoot. You know, I don't want to die.
Oh!
Wait, that's not a mimic! I looked at the chain, I was like, wait, aren't they normally supposed to be backwards? You don't see the first mimic until in Orlando, right?
I thought it was somewhere in here. Well, it's definitely somewhere in Sens Fortress. I just
like how I got there, but like how I walked in before you!
Nice.
I don't know how I did that. I'll be here for emotional support. You got this, buddy!
I did a weapon swap to try and poise through it, which half worked, because as soon as I got slapped by it, like, I immediately stood up. Alright, let's go down to rescue Big Hat Logan and then Sigma. He's just asserting his dominance.
Wait, don't kill him! I think. Oh, okay, let's just leave him. He deserves it.
Alright, my respects, man.
This bitch. He said, "Fuck y'all, bitches." Yoshi, come here.
Huh.
He's stuck in a falling animation.
Ah, interesting. Please move out of the way.
Oh,
Alright, let's go.
I'm jealous.
Jealous that you lack the swag to withstand a boulder.
Get off the fucking ledge. You ever talk to Sigmar?
Shottel. Or shottle, I honestly don't know how it's pronounced.
I don't know if I'm gonna say Big Fat Logan. Or I might. He might be one of the achievements I actually need.
Sir, Wait. God damn it. Grizz, could you go activate the thing again? It got switched on us.
Huh?
Could you go pull the lever so that the boulders aren't hitting us?
They aren't.
They are on my screen.
They were still put the way you pointed them. I turned them. Are they still hitting you?
Not anymore. God damn it, I hate this message. You know what?
Right now, these boulders are pointed the way that you had them, okay?
I almost got crushed.
By a boulder?
Yes.
Okay. I'm confused as shit now, because... I'm sorry? Look, come here. What?! How the fuck?
Yeah, they like to switch on their own every once in a while.
Okay, cause come here. Here's my problem. When I came up here, it was the handle was right here, and I pushed it this way. So
Yeah, I believe you. They like to change on their own.
no, the thing is the handle wasn't turned at all. Oh. Oh, okay. Now I understand. I didn't realize that this like the way the boulders were going this way, but I didn't realize that this way was to him.
Hey, Sigmar, the boulder stopped. Alright, you do you, buddy.
The boulders are coming back.
Oh my god!
Alright, Josh, I'm just gonna keep pushing the boulder. This bitch just turned on me. I pushed it in one direction, and it said, no, I'm gonna go this way. That thing tried to kill you. Let's go. This thing also reset, what the hell?
Yeah, a dart trap reset on me, too. Another one, not this one.
I wonder if I reset every time that thing switches as well.
Maybe.
Alright, ready for this shit?
Yeah, you got this.
Oh my god, you died! Oh my god,
Yeah.
I almost died. I couldn't unlock. Because when you died, I was locked onto a snake and I couldn't unlock.
Yeah, I somehow didn't run. I thought it was sprinting, but I guess not. Maybe I wasn't holding circle hard enough.
Well, Joshu, thanks to you, I gotta run from snakes until you summon me again.
You just kill them. It's not that hard, Chris.
I know it's not that hard, but it's a little difficult when they're both coming at you and I can't... Oh god. Okay, I'm alright now.
Good.
Parry one, backstab the other, then backstab the other, and then backstab the other.
Yeah, that's how it's done.
I just love how retarded it looks when you spam. Oh, dude, I'm fucking excited as shit because, what's it called? Hyrule Warriors finally getting a DLC. The new one, anyway. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that...
Dude, you know what would be sick as shit? Give us a game like that, but Adventure Time style. Wouldn't you at least play that one? My moves a game like that was Adventure Time?
Honestly, I don't know. The only Muso game I've ever played and liked was Persona Strikers.
Or, you know, just fighting a whole ton of enemies?
Yeah. Hordes of enemies.
Honestly, I thought... Because did you like Breath of the Wild at all? I imagine you loved it.
I did like Breath of the Wild,
That's why you
but
gotta
I
play.
generally dislike Muso games.
I want
Why do you
Adventure...
keep your...
Huh?
Why do you keep placing your sign there?
Oh, I'm
That's where
sorry.
both of them see me.
Oh, really? That makes sense. Well, do you want to remember? Okay, I was gonna say if you want, you can go back to the bonfire and I'll replace it so they won't see you. But okay, duly noted. Anyway, but you know, an Adventure Time one would be would be fucking sick. Cause you get to fuck play Finn, Jake, Marceline, Bubblegum, get Slime Princess, you know, Ice King. That'd be the shit, dude.
Yeah. This time I almost died.
Aggro doesn't work. I don't know.
Death before dishonor. I almost fell off. He's still alive, isn't he?
He fell when I hit him, and for some reason I really thought that was about to make me do the smack and slide off the ledge. Hey, let's run before it turns on us.
Agreed.
It's turning.
They're just following us.
Hey,
go away. Mind your own business. Get a life.
That was weird. I pressed R1 and my game went late left.
I backstab him first, question mark? Watch out.
Wait.
Run! Or not. You got this.
Damn it. What? They did the double boulder thing! That's so bullshit!
He didn't go fast enough!
No, I got hit by 2!
I know. That's... Yeah, that happens.
That's queer. I know what happens. It happened to me.
I'm running back to summon you.
At some point, Joshi, you should really go get me 3 more dragon scales from the tree.
I don't want to go there.
No, just rest at Andre's bonfire, then walk all the way down there, just drop down and... Oh my god!
Besides, didn't you already use the sword? What do you need the scales for?
That's right, I did. I plunged attacked, I forgot about it. I looked at my durability and went, hey, I can still upgrade this thing. But it's still a 360.
Anyway, I'm back at the spot.
The sign be down.
Yep. I almost got killed by a dart trap because they reset.
You kindled on Andrea's bonfire, right?
Yes.
Yourself, faggot.
Nice hissing impression, I guess.
Hey! Why is your arrow still trying to shoot me?
I don't know.
I just like how when I summon it just looks like your name is Ni-R. How far ahead are you? Ah, oh, thanks,
Pretty
piece
far
of
ahead.
shit. I feel abandoned. Oh, hello.
Oh my god, this dart trap reset.
Hope you die for what you've done. You must pay for
What?
you must pay for the crimes you've committed against Skyrim.
I refuse.
Then pay with your blood.
Try
Dun.
me, you infidel.
Da-da-dun. 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 Joshu, I must request you save my life by turning the boulders.
I would love to, but they're on me right now.
Oh, I guess you deserve that then.
Oh my god, they're turning on their own. Get out of here.
Hey, yo, faggot. Not you, by the way. I was talking about the boulder thingy.
Yeah. I saw it turn on its own. It was honestly kind of scary.
Yeah, it did it to me. Earlier I pushed it and then it was facing your direction. So I pushed it and then it went back to your direction. Like, nah, I'm gonna hit this guy.
Screw this guy in particular.
Damn it. Ow. What? Oh my god, move.
Hands off my boy!
Yeah.
Watch out, we're being shot at.
Damn it.
Man serpent greatsword.
Nice. I thought. Oh yeah, they're the snakes. Great sword. The big snake. God damn it. Oh, I'm assuming that was you.
I don't know, honestly.
Cause I know their parry frames well enough to know what I missed. It really bothers me that I know I know frames well enough to tell when I missed, and because of that I can never I so many of them. Well, not because of that, but I just it bothers me that I know them so well enough to know when I miss, but I still miss so many. Oh fuck me! I forgot that one has a pause in between two that you can stand in front of.
I don't know.
Go grab the bonfire.
Are you sure?
Oh fuck! You have to get the shortcut.
I'll go back and summon you, honestly. Because then we don't have to fight anything again. Oh my god. I activated another dark trap. What happened?
No way! Hold on a minute. Oh my god! I think it does less damage if it's got low durability.
Damn.
What? That's so stupid.
Well, I guess that means your claymore is dull.
30%. Oh, what the hell? Hold on. What does it mean? Because I swear, I've always done. Maybe a backstab only has done 105 damage.
I don't know. Let's go test it on whatever enemy is next. Alright. I don't want to do this again. So
Move. Let me go. Oh, wait, you didn't rest the guy. The next big snake guy we get, let me riposte him. Let me parry and riposte him because I know the parry does like 295 damage. And I'm not nerfed, so.
Oh, watch out. That's the trap that almost killed me twice now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go fight this guy. Fuck you, game. No. Why? Why in the fuck? That makes no fucking sense. I hate directional rolling.
Same here.
Well, I hate four-way rolling.
Yeah, 4 directional rolling.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna use the force. Actually, no, you know what I'll do. I'm just gonna use the Black Knight Greatsword for now. It already does. It does really good base damage. I can use it, and this way I can save this one-hander. So, you cool with me using the Black Knight Greatsword for now?
Sure.
I have to two-hand it though, which is my only issue. So I guess I'm playing like I was already playing when we started, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh god, the snake that killed you is after me now.
Let me finish him. He didn't kill me! What the fuck you talking about? Don't give him the credit, he'll get cocky. He didn't kill nothing. I committed suicide, if anything. Giving that bitch credit for
dominance.
Fuck yeah. Where's this
He's
bitch
all
at?
yours.
Come here, fucker. You piece of shit. Yeah, bitch ass bitch boy. He's stuck on me. Yeah, let's go. You're coming with... No, never mind.
My screen, he was stuck on me.
I'm really upset, though, that I died because of that shit. That was so annoying. Watch out.
That was pretty funny.
Again? Are you fucking serious? I hate this game.
Do you want me to just go get the shortcut?
No. Come fucking summon me. This is absolute fucking bullshit. I died because dude, it's not my fault. That was not my fucking fault. I got double bouldered again. And I know because I survived the first one.
I know that you got double bouldered.
Why does it always happen to me?
Maybe if you just didn't get bouldered, it wouldn't happen, Chris.
Fuck you!
I'm losing a lot of Estus. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna rest. Roll me a die.
No, don't rest. Just let's get through this. We're not gonna die anymore.
You say that.
How many S's do you have?
15.
Oh, you're fucking fine. Shut up.
Drop your sign.
All we gotta do is get you to the shortcut. And we won't kill anything, we'll just get the shortcut.
Yeah, all we need to do is get there, he says.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. This is my fault. I don't deserve this shit from you.
I'm sorry. Wait out the boulders, okay?
Dude, no, fuck it. I'm asserting my doubt.
A bullshit one shot.
No, it wasn't. It was a bullshit two shot.
Well, insta kill.
It wasn't an insta kill. It was a double. It was a bullshit two shot. Don't give the game a credit of one shotting me. Stop giving it credit for anything. I died to bullshit. Like the game, like right now, Sens Fortress is like, hey, let's twink these guys. I almost died. I got a little impatient to ask those guys a question.
This guy.
Also, I know what you're doing, and I'm a little disappointed in it because you're trying to make it easier on me.
I'm just trying to hurry up and get out of here. Watch out, the boulders are on me.
Hey, I made it.
Scared me.
You scared of me getting hit or you?
You getting hit.
I'd be fine. Oh my god. I survived them all before.
I have a really bad feeling that now I'm gonna... The controller stride kicked in. I almost died. Oh,
Okay.
I could die in here.
That's cool. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this. You got this. If you would have went any later, that... Oh, you asshole!
I'm sorry to think it would...
Oh, I almost walked down to the pit. Let's go. Okay.
Let's go kill these guys.
Well, let's just hold on, come back. Let's just
Too
get
bad
the
you saw me.
shortcut for. Let's just get the shortcut for now, okay? Here,
Since
bitch.
we have made it this far, I am not going back to summon if he dies. And I will cry if I die. Okay?
I'm sorry. Piece of shit. Nothing good.
Nope. Stone plate ring or fire defense ring.
We might actually. Oh. You have me thinking it was the actual ring, the physical ring.
We don't need the bonfire, we need the shortcut. Let's go.
Open the shortcut. I can use the shortcut too, right?
Yeah.
Here, I'll fight this guy. I'll fight this guy. Maybe I'll die. Let's see. Come on.
It's locked!
Oh, you have to buy the key.
Ah!
What did he drop?
Rapier. Ooh, nice.
Sweet, now you got one. Oh, we need to get it from. No, we need to. It's behind the snake. Remember? Across.
Yeah.
We gotta do the jump and get behind the snake.
Oh damn. We should go kill the flame giant. As long as we're behind him, there should be no problem. Or okay. Fine.
What? Oh yeah, it's that way, isn't it?
Yeah, I just don't want to get killed by the flames.
Does the giant? Does the boulder giant respawn?
Yes. So does this guy.
So what's the point in killing them? Also, is this guy the Boulder Knight captain? Is it him?
What?
This area has a Boulder Knight that's the captain.
No.
Yeah, they're like one of these because he drops a what's it called? A large, like one of the Boulder Knights here.
There's a steel knight.
No.
Oh God, Chris!
Oh my God! I was stuck on YouTube. Sorry. Here, I got this.
That could have been it.
I'm so sorry, Josh. I'm so sorry.
I'm just glad we're both safe.
Let's hope Blarkus doesn't get deleted.
Oh yeah,
I
like
will never
that one
forget
time.
that. I will never forget that moment.
You should include a flashback in the video.
What?
What happened to Blarkus?
What? He pushed him off! No! Oh, I should. I will. Rest in peace, Blarkus.
Rest in peace, indeed.
That was simple. Alright, Joshi, you ready for my epic death?
I believe in you, Chris.
Yeah, boy. Oh my God.
Hey there, sir. How are you? Shut up and give me your
Don't
stuff.
come down here until your snakes are dead.
Alright. Shut
I
up and
die.
take my money. He sells large Titanite shard for 4,000.
Hey, that actually isn't too bad. Does he sell one? How many does he
No,
sell?
he sells unlimited, thankfully.
Oh shit! Sweet. I need to buy 3. Your Snocky is dead.
Alright, my Claymore is at +8, which means it needs a +2 and a +3, so I just need to buy 3 more.
No, that means I only need, yeah, I had to do 3 as well. How many do I have?
Ooh, I could buy the Great Sword, or the Great Axe.
2 shoe. I'll trade you a Titanite chunk for 2. Do you want to upgrade your... I can give you some Titanite chunks if you want to upgrade your thing, because I'm not going to need them anymore. For now, anyway. You want a few Titanite chunks?
I could yeah.
Well,
I'm not gonna need them anytime soon, so just keep them for now.
mean, you're gonna need them next time you see Andre, because if you just bought 3 of those...
I'm gonna need them whenever we get through New Londo, after draining it.
That's right, yeah, I forget, okay? I'm sorry, you don't have to be such a dick about it.
I say that while hesitating, because I'm not sure if we can do that before or after Anor Londo. No, it does have to be after.
What does it? Does it really? No?
I don't know.
No, we just need to go there at any point.
Should we do that before going through Anor Londo?
No, fuck it, I want to teleport.
Yeah, that's probably more important for now.
That's all I give a shit about. I could do the rest of the side stuff that I've been wanting to do.
Yeah.
So, how many more souls do you have?
13,000.
Did you buy 3 of them?
Yeah.
Could you?
I have all the
Would you be willing
stuff I need,
to
and
buy
I'm
3
barely
for
enough
me?
to level up.
Will you buy 3 for me, and I will give you 4 Titanite chunks?
Rest in peace, level up.
Is that okay? You don't have to. But since you did, I mean, 4 Titanite chunks, they're going to be harder to find than those, I imagine.
Probably.
I feel like this
I don't
deal...
know where to buy them, honestly.
I feel like this deal more benefits you than me.
Well, yeah, it does, but...
This way, I can use...
yeah,
you're good to go.
Neat.
Joshi, I bet I can beat you down there. Are you ready?
Please do.
Then I can open it.
I don't know if that's how it works.
We'll try it when we get into my world.
Whew.
Hey, on my screen it looked like you jumped, smacked your head on the ground, and stood up. Cause you tried. It looked like your character went to go do the roll after, but then here I'll go down.
Yeah.
Let me out of this cage, Joe. I go ahead and go to the bonfire.
Yeah, I'll go light the bonfire. I don't know if I should rest at it though.
Well, yeah, go ahead. Just rest. Well, I guess you really don't have to, but you should. So if you die, you spawn up there.
Yeah. Oh.
Either way, if you die, which might happen because of the shit we've already been going through, you're gonna have to fight you're gonna have to fight the 2 snakes in the beginning either way. Actually, no, maybe you shouldn't. Actually,
Woo!
yeah, don't. Did you rest already?
No.
Probably shouldn't. Because
I'm not going to.
Well, yeah, because this way you can, if you die, you'll be at Andre and won't have to run all the way.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make my way back. Make my way uptown, going home, cause I gave up and I'm sad now.
Oh god, I might die to this boy. Wish
I like
me
how
luck,
since
Chris.
you didn't die, I didn't. When I get sent back to my world, instead of having 20, I have to. Oh my god. I should have run across the bridge, going, "Wait, why is there a fog wall? Am I getting invaded?" But you know what makes it better, Yoshi?
Oh.
This is what makes it better.
You were a phantom?
I didn't realize I was still in your world, even though I was orange. Because I was proceeding to say, hey, you know what really bothers me is that how come if I die in your world, I get sent back, but... I mean, if you die, I get sent back and get all my essence back and all of my health, but... Since I returned home, I don't. Just try this time. You still have more than 15 Estus? Or more than 10?
Hold on, never allowed to die! Alright, I killed Oscar. Not Oscar. Richard, whatever. Richard?
I just saved my video clips. I don't know if I ever started recording again. I don't think I did.
Damn it, Chris.
I saved my recording, so I still have it.
Okay.
Get fucked, bear trap.
Or how?
I am recording now. I forgot to.
I don't know if I'm recording or not. I'm pretty sure I am. But I'm also not sure.
Just save it. Like, just save your recording and restart it.
The problem about that is that then I end up with a bunch of clips. And yes, I was recording.
Okay.
I am summoning God. God damn it, Chris. Alright. How long ago was that incident?
A couple months ago.
No, almost a year ago. Let's see. Maybe more than a year ago, honestly. What's up, Blarkus? Are you ready? Should we let him solo it like last time? And see what happens? Alright. Let's go.
That's not what I meant to do. I'm coming, just give me a minute.
Alright. Go, Blarkus! I choose you!
Pikachu!
Oh no, he got slapped.
Just wait for
Damn! He blocked that like a champ! Oh.
Shit!
That's the attack that banished him last time.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Maybe it was.
He just... Pretty sure it was. It's just that he attacked the golem as he got grabbed. So it worked similar to a backstab escape, except that Marcus got teleported
what
to the
it
ground.
what it looked like is because it looked like the golem just smacked him with his axe and then just, you know, bounced off of him.
It was definitely not with his axe. We'll need to watch it again. Come on, Tarkus, you got this! Oh no.
I don't think he's got this. Hey, I'm just a bystander, man. I ain't in this. Save me, Blarkus. Oh, get him. Get him.
You get him!
He's just backed
Come
up.
on!
Look at it. Look at this bitch. He just said nah.
He's tired. He's tired. He's just resting. Oh, damn.
What?
The golem retaliated. Oh, slap. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Is this the end for Tarkus?
Not yet. This is bad.
He can still keep fighting. Ooh, blocked it like a champ. Oh? Oh no! You can't block that, Tarkus. Oh! What a legend.
This man!
No! No! Tarkus!
Hold on, Joshua, I got this. Alright, you back up. Let me die
Alright.
next. Hey, yo, not gonna lie, that kinda hurts. If you could, like, not do that again.
You got this Tarkus too?
Shit!
Oh. Oh no!
Hey, no, that was just uncalled for, man.
Come on, Chris. I believe in you. He's about to fall. Oh. Oh, the golem retaliated. Double stomp. Okay. Oof. Who will win?
Watch. Yeah!
Yeah! Nicely done, Tarkus 2.
Hey, yeah, I feel we can get some medals now. Damn, 20,000 souls.
Oh my! 40,000.